A lot more things which are promising to kind of bloom in the next maybe week, which I'm really excited about.
How to grow
One of my plants which is just ready to grow is my clematis. They're just about ready to pop. I got these plants in a plant swap with a pal where I gave them a whole bunch of seeds I wasn't going to use this season, and they gave me some clematis that they had overbought. Now these plants
and
are
here
great.
and
I got
in
them
UK
quite damaged,
everyone
but they
has
bounced
gardens,
back. That's why I always think they're really
they
good to
love
find in
this
a
kind
garden
of
bin.
videos.
You can just nurse them back to health and they will be perfectly happy.
And BBC prepared this video, by the way.
One other of my plants, which is just about to flower, are my roses. They're doing pretty well for themselves. This is my first year growing roses because previously I thought the roses weren't very well suited to pots and containers, which, to be honest with you, a lot of them aren't. But if you go for something like a miniature rose or a patio rose, you can have absolutely gorgeous blooms in a container. This one here is called a celebration rose.